everyone, so today started really easy. I actually wanted to have like a relaxing Sunday. What is happening now? I'm building my new bookshelves and redesigning my office, so it's not going to be a relaxing day, and currently everything is empty and my couch is somewhere in the room. I'm gonna like show you around a bit and then you're just going to see the process of me redesigning my office. And I actually need to check if I have still footage left from somewhere, me filming my office, because I didn't pre-film the setup. But we are going to tackle this now, and I can't build, so it's going to be interesting. So let's build and redesign, shall we? This angle is kind of weird, but I'm just taking a little break to spend some time with Kiwi. She doesn't like when I do this kind of stuff because she feels like we are moving again, which we are not. You will be fine, we will stay here. So yeah, I'm nearly done with the second bookshelf and then I need to do the third one. So that's for the update, and it's so hot. And yeah, this little cutie is a bit stressed now, but we'll see how much I get done. I think like in half an hour, 40 minutes, I'll be done with all the bookshelves, and then we can move the office and see what else we can do. The actual building process of the bookshelves, I think you will see in October, because I actually planned that video for October because I didn't want to put the bookshelves up until then, but now I was like, so it's really hot outside and we could spend time outside, but I'm not feeling it today. So we're just building stuff. Kiwi. She's not excited about this. Okay, I'm going to be back to building and then I see you when I'm done with that. This vlog is going to be so long and so interesting, but we can do this. I can do this. First time building stuff. Great. So the bookcases are now finally up with the shelves in them. So that's done, and I'm not gonna fill the books in quite yet because I need to figure out the office, and I'm gonna film how it looks now. Actually, it's a big mess, so be ready for a big mess. But yeah, that's like the plan now. I'm quite exhausted, if you can't tell, but I'm really excited to just move things around. So I'm just gonna show you how it's looking now and what the plan is. So normally you came in here, you have my office here, my couch there. And first I was thinking about putting the couch in front of this, but I'm not gonna do that. So what we are going to do is we move the office there and then the couch comes here. How it will go, I'm not sure yet, because I don't know if I should put it like this or like this. I haven't figured this out yet. But I'm also thinking of getting like a chair here. My other battery is loading, so in case this one dies. But I'm thinking of putting like a chair here to just be next to my bookshelf. So that's the plan now. So what I'm going to do is move my office, clean up here. Then we'll figure out what we do with the couch. If you're wondering where all the stuff went that was inside here, just look at my room here. And there's also stuff lying on my bed. So I think this vlog is definitely going to be a chaotic one until everything is fixed. And I hope you actually enjoyed this process. It was definitely spontaneous, so I'm just gonna start now, and of course I'm going to film everything. And I'm also have been catching up on YouTube, and I'm up to date, thank God. So let's put this all together now. And wish me luck for doing this. I still have, like, how many hours do I get left? How many hours we have now? It's 4:45, so I still have like 2 hours left to do this. That's good. So we don't need to stress about it. Yeah, I'm gonna chop up. Okay, let's go. up, I took my office, like my actual office. How do you call that? Is it the office where you write on it? Never mind. You know what I mean. I took it apart. I cleaned all the parts, and I'm going to put it like here now in front of that window. Okay, I'm gonna build this now, and then we'll see how it looks like. Now here, and you can't like fully open the door, but it's enough to get in, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, put the thing here, and yeah, leave it like this. I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, the bookshelves are not filled yet. I'm gonna film that in another video, and as I said, you're only going to see that in October because that was the plan, but it just came on to me to change this whole room, and I'm really happy about it. So you're going to see like now the final room tour, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and with that said, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys.